YouTube. This is Kim Birchfield. I thought I would come on real quick and do a studio tour and show off some of the tech that I just got to shoot videos. Alright, so you guys will all recognize my set, or my backdrop. Over here I've got a end table, which is decorated with a princess sign, a photo of my inspiration as a cross-dresser, and a antique lamp. Above that I've got two pride flags, one on the left representing gay pride, and one on the right representing trans pride, of which I am both. Alright, so next we come to my Amazon Basics microphone. This is Amazon's knockoff version of the Blue Snowball, and it sounds just as good. Amazon really knocked it out of the park with this. And that sets on an Amazon Basics boom stand. And just beyond that, you see a shelving unit with a pair of shoes, a vase with flowers, and a purse. And inside you see a Love is Love sign that my sister made me, a fox that I picked up at the Buffalo Bill Dam that I named Todd, and a vase that I picked up at a second-hand store. And flanking that shelf I've got a ukulele and a guitar, both of which I can't play very well, but I do attempt. And you got a window further to my right looking out. Not much to see there. And you come to further to the right, you come to more business end of how things are. I've got a thermometer up above that I thrifted, and a painting that a friend gave me. Below that, to the left, you've got my TV set, where I view and watch a lot of content. And underneath that, you've got a cabinet, of which I'm not getting into today, for storage. On my desk, you've got my primary microphone, which is a Blue Snowball ice model mounted on a swivel arm. Just underneath that, you got my Amazon Echo smart speaker. Behind that, you got I've got a salt lamp. Just to the right of that, I've got my primary filming camera, which is a Logitech webcam. And just to the right of that, you got my late 2009 iMac, which is where I do all my editing, and at the moment, storm watching. And I'm just using a cheap keyboard and mouse with that. And just to the right of that, you got another couple of cabinets for storage, a recorder, a printer, a picture of the guy who helped me discover that I'm gay, and behind him I've got an essential oil diffuser. And the wall above that, I've got everyone's favorite way to display Polaroids. Got my collection of Polaroids that turned out quite good. And in this room, I've also got a closet full of junk. And last but not least, this is my tripod that I set my webcam on when I'm sitting in my chair here for filming. So, yeah. This is a quick look at my filming studio for, yeah. Real quick, I'll do another overview. Oh, and the chair is a chair that I got from a secondhand store. So, yeah, that's my LGBT Kim Birchfield channel set and editing studio. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you next time. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.